Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Aiscsc high pressure shower head with handheld, 10 spray settings, include 2 powerful wash modes for cleaning bathroom. 5-inch Showerhead set with stainless steel hose, bracket, and filter for hard water. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Superior material. Detachable shower head is made of advanced ABS environmental protection material, which is lightweight, durable, rust-proof and fade-resistant. 60-inch stainless steel hose is flexible and sturdy. The bracket with brass nut is easy to adjust directions. 8+2 settings. 8 combination modes include pause water saving mode, rain, massage mode, and others for shower. 2 other power cleaning modes on the back of the panel can easily remove foam or soap scum from bathroom, tub, toilet, corner, tile. Of course, bathing pets is also convenient. Purify the water. Aiscsc handheld shower head built in a replaceable filter, effectively removes chlorine, heavy metals, and other harmful substances from the water, which can better improve the condition of your skin and hair. Allow you to enjoy your shower while improving your health. High pressure. The combination of a well-designed internal structure and a large 5-inch panel with unique nozzles achieves pressure-boosting technology that provides a full coverage range shower experience even at low water pressure. Easy installation. With all necessary accessories, the Showerheads high-pressure set can be easily installed in minutes by following the instructions. Evenly distributed silicone nozzles provide an even spray of water and prevent hard water and lime buildup for easy cleaning. Overall, the Aiscsc high-pressure shower head with handheld is a great value for the price. It is well made, functional, and versatile. If you're looking for a shower head that will give you a refreshing and invigorating shower experience, the Aiscsc high-pressure shower head with handheld is a great option. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.